Okay, so this is what I've done so far. The actual birthday theme is Ariel, since she loves Ariel. So what I did was I bought these usable cups. These are not like the party cups. For the boys, I decided to do pirates because I just didn't want them to only have Ariel cup. Like, why would they have a girly cup? You know how 5-year-old boys think. Anyway, so I decided to go and get them pirate stuff. Inside the bag, let me just take one bag out. I actually thought it was a great idea to get these packs for her school, because even though this came with 48 pieces, you can divide it into the amount of girls that they have in their class, and the same thing for the boys. You can divide it for how many boys that are in the class, but luckily she only has like 7 boys in her classroom, so it filled up quite well. And I have also these little cupcake bins of Ariel, and these little cupcake toppers. I'm a little concerned about this, but I think it's gonna be alright. I have her little ribbon for her birthday that she's gonna wear, and her crown that she's gonna wear, and another one, but I guess this is gonna be for the cupcakes that I'm gonna make to take to the birthday dinner. And then napkins, I bought a pirate one and I bought a mermaid one. You excited, Joannelly, for your birthday? You don't sound so excited. Are you excited for your birthday? Yeah! In your class? Yeah! What's gonna be your birthday party about? Ariel! Oh, yeah. You like Ariel. Amelia, you ready for her birthday? Yeah. Yeah?
Mommy, can you put this on for me?
Wow, you look pretty. Turn around. Wow, you like your hair? What?
I want to paint my nails.
You want to paint your nails?
Yes.
But do you like your hair?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Look at this prettiness.
Joannelly's 5th birthday! Happy birthday from all of us here. May something special made just for you. We hope you have a super fun stretch of every day. So happy birthday from Red Boys and Bay. Hey, happy birthday!
Blow it. Yay!
Happy birthday!